Good morning. Now we are going to see about the second program in J2E, that is bonus calculation for an employee. Okay, here how to calculate a bonus for an employee by using a server program. Two programs you have to create here. One is index.html, that is the design page. That coding you have to type here, and the second one is a bonus.java. This is a servlet program. Now we will see one by one. First one, we have to do design page. How to make a design page means, see the output here. If you want to make a design page like this, that is our aim is in this program, because we have to do the design page. In the design page, we have to give the employee ID, employee name and salary, and then percentage we have to give. If you give this input and click on calculate button, then it will display that bonus amount and annual income 6 lakh, like this. So this is a design page. This we are doing in one HTML page, and then this calculation and all we are doing in servlet. Okay, we will see now how to create a NetBeans. First, design page how to make. Step by step we will see now. So first one, how to make this index.html. So in NetBeans, you go to that option, File, New Project. Then click on Java Web and then Web Application. Then click on Next. Then enter the name of the file, enter the name of the project name you want to create, and then click on Next and then Finish. Then you will get a screen like this. Then name, what is the name you created for project, gave for project, no, that name first will come here, and you will get a screen index.html like this. Okay, then inside that you have to type this content. What you have to content, this is the design page. You have to concentrate only this body tag, inside that body tag. See here, inside that body is given form action equal to bonus, method equal to post. Here, what is the name of bonus? This is the name of the servlet you are creating. Next, we are going to see now. No, the servlet only we are doing calculations. That servlet name is displayed here. Form action equal to bonus, method equal to post. You have to write. Then inside that table, we are going to create. What are the inputs you have to give? Employee ID, and then name here, and then salary. This is all normal HTML. You know how to create, give the input. No, same like this. Input type equal to text. In the text box, you are writing that employee ID. Here, in the text box, you have to write employee name, and then how much salary that you have to give. And then this is all design page as in HTML, and then bonus percentage how much. This and all we are creating in a table or normal way. Also you can write and using text boxes. 4 text boxes you are creating in HTML. This is a design page. Okay, and then bonus.java servlet how to create. We already created a project named first. So in that first, it is already it will be there in NetBeans web page. That option will be there. You right click that web page, then you see new, and then click on servlet, this option. If you click this, you will get default name will come. Otherwise, if you want your name, you have given my bonus.java, so you can give a servlet name as bonus. So you will get a screen like bonus.java. So inside that you have to type this content. This and all automatically you will see the screen automatically. Okay, in NetBeans you no need to do enough. Our work is only inside this brackets. Every coding, this coding and all automatically coming in servlet. If you created a new servlet, this coding and all automatically will come. Your work is you have to write this much coding only. So this variable declaration and calculation only you have to do. Other and all you no need to worry about other codings. And then here you have to declare int ABCDID, and then T1 means in the text box what we are getting here, T1, T2, ID, E name and all we are getting in the first 2 text boxes. T1 is a salary that is stored in A variable, and T2 is a variable, T2 is a bonus that is stored in B. How you will calculate bonus? This salary into bonus percentage. For example, C is a bonus amount and A is a salary. So A is a salary, how much input you are giving? 10,000 means 10,000 like that, and then into B by 100 means that is bonus amount. 5% means 5 by 100. So salary into bonus percentage, 5 by 100. Whatever the amount you are getting, that bonus is stored in C. And then D is an annual income. If for A equal 50,000, annual income means 12 months you have to multiply. No? So 12 into your monthly income is equal to annual income, that is stored in variable D. Okay, that you are displaying here. Out dot print line employee name, and then out dot print line employee ID, out dot print line bonus, and then annual income. Okay, this C means what? C is bonus, we are calculating and storing in C. Annual income we are storing in D, that's only we are displaying here. So this is the output. Output we are creating in the design page. You are giving all this inputs, and then click on calculate button, and already we called form action equal to bonus. No, then that servlet will be called, then the output will be displayed like this. Okay, this is the second program. Okay students, thank you.